Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. This is a daily update video for SafeMoon. If you guys are new to the channel, please do not forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and click the bell icon or share this content on social media. And please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research, and I highly encourage you to do your own due diligence, your own research. I'm going to have a separate video up here a little bit later today on AMC, the movie stock theater. So if you guys are into that movement, I will have some update info in a separate video. And yeah, so I'm not a financial advisor. Go do your own research. I'm on Twitter if you guys want to check me out at CryptoAtlasYT. My handle is right down below. And let's go ahead and dive into some of the news, and we'll come back to the price analysis. So the SafeMoon wallet is confirmed for the launch goal. That goal is the end of July. Please keep in mind that some random things might happen and it might get delayed. So don't beat yourself up. Don't get super frustrated if it does get delayed, but they've been doing really good at meeting their goals, and I think it's very likely that we could see this at the end of July. And this was reiterated by John Crony, the CEO for SafeMoon. He said, "Looking forward to delivering the SafeMoon wallet to everyone. One last sprint to the finish line. Thank you, SafeMoon Army. Looking forward to seeing your reactions when we release the final version. SafeMoon is the evolution." Absolutely awesome. Great to hear for sure. Moving on, SafeMoon in the top 100 list according to CoinGecko is now at number 53. In addition to that, the whale dominance continues to go down. It was at 19.62% 1 day ago, now currently at 19.59%. So we are seeing that progressively going down more and more, and that is good. We don't want whales to have massive amounts of dominance, because if they decide to do anything for selling, then it has more of an impact on the price. The barrier of entry to get into the top 1,000 wallets of SafeMoon is still right around the same range, which is interesting because we're seeing some of these large whales progressively selling off, but there's a lot of other people that are not leaving, or there's a lot of people that are right underneath them that are just kind of filling that space. So yeah, that's about 28.5 billion SafeMoon, right around that range. It's just a little bit under at the moment. Continuing on. The biggest single individual wallet holder for SafeMoon, which is this listed number 4 here. You can tell it has the 44 FD on the end. They've got now less than 20 trillion SafeMoon. Let that sink in for a second there. 20 trillion. What that actually did is it dropped them below the 2% mark. So as far as how much of an influence that they have of ownership over all the SafeMoon that are out there, this individual person is now less than 2% of the total amount, which is still a lot. I mean, we're talking $66 million worth based on just current price levels. So this individual, whoever it is, has been progressively selling off, which is great news. We got one here about 3 hours, 8 minutes ago. That was 45 billion SafeMoon, quite a bit of money. And yeah, you guys can see that there's previous days where they've been selling off here and there as well. So they're progressively doing it, which is what we want. We definitely want that to take place. Now, continuing on, let me go ahead and get rid of some of these other things. Daily report. I'm going to have a link in the description, as always, to the subreddit for this, posted by Whale Watch Coins. Please go show them some love and upvote their post. They post these on the daily, and it takes time and effort for them to put this together for us. Fully diluted market capitalization is up 8.53%. Market capitalization, same thing, up 8.53%. Trading volume is up 51.55%, quite a bit. That's actually very good. We want volume up a lot. Current price is up 8.53%. Wallet reflections 0.008% approximately. 26 humpbacks hold more than 1 trillion SafeMoon, 22 whales hold more than 500 billion SafeMoon, and 196 sharks hold more than 100 billion SafeMoon. Change of holders is up 2,943. Total holders is a little bit over 2.4 million. That's up 0.12%. Again, this is not accounting for, and I say again because I mentioned this in other videos, but it's not accounting for the exchanges. That data has not been aggregated over yet. The amount burned is 35.05 billion SafeMoon. Total burned is up 0.01%. Total circulation is down 0.01%. We have been seeing that consistently on the daily. Bridges are important. So much appreciation for the vision. This is shared by Objective Sport 2728, but it's a post that was originally by the CEO John Crony over on Twitter. I'm sure you've seen today's UK regulatory news regarding Binance. It's important to not limit your projects to one chain. Bridges are an incredible asset and will continue to play a key role in the expansion and adoption for years to come. Now, please keep in mind that the media is essentially putting out there some misleading information. So it's not necessarily Binance. It's more about the subsidiary that was underneath Binance and what they were trying to do. They were putting in their applications. This was Binance Markets Ltd. And they didn't meet the regulations primarily they had to have certain things set up to fight against like money laundering, for example. And so they weren't able to get to the standard of what the UK wanted them to be at. So they decided to go ahead and pull their application for it. And so it's that element that's actually being focused on. And that's what UK is cracking down on. Things like here that stating futures contracts, derivatives are banned. Everyday crypto investors are fine. FUD from the mainstream. Anyways, just wanted to mention that. I think that was actually really important. Somebody else highlighted that, posted in the SafeMoon subreddit as well. So yeah, in general, it's part of the ecosystem of crypto. And then check this out. I think this was pretty cool. This individual here says, I've been speaking to a friend about using SafeMoon as a bonus for his company. It is currently being discussed at a company meeting. It's a nursing agency, and they're considering paying referrals $500 in SafeMoon. I think that's a really cool idea. If there's other companies that are out there, I think I saw something maybe a month ago where they were saying that they received a bonus. It was like a construction job. Oh, no, it was an individual that just straight up did a construction job, and they said, go ahead and pay me in SafeMoon. So they received their payment for that job in SafeMoon, which was cool. And now heading on over to the price analysis, where we're currently at right now, has had a bit of a drop that just took place. Let me see if there was a big whale that took place. No, nothing there. And looking over on the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin has gone down from 34,800 to 34,350, and it looks like it's still trailing down a little bit. So that might be a partial contributing factor right there. The last big whale report I see was 2:20 p.m., which was about an hour ago. So it's definitely not that candle. These are 15-minute candles right here that you're watching. Some individual just sold $4,000 worth, $4,600. Anyway, so taking a look at this right now, we do have resistance here at right around 32.44. I'd be keeping an eye on that, guys. There's a couple touch points that are there. Everything's very volatile at the moment. Down below that, looking at potentially support at the 3,000 range. Below 3,000, we're dropping down to 27.50, which, I mean, this actually makes a lot of sense. Just think about it. 2,600 is the next level down below. So that's a little bit off base, but then a significant drop would pull us all the way back down to right around that 2,000 range. On the way up, if we get above that first level resistance I mentioned at 32.40, let's go ahead and get all the way up to 37.54, and then we're going to be tapping back into the 4,000 range. I do have referral links in the description, guys. If you want to earn some free cryptocurrency or free stocks or both, and you want to help out my channel, definitely check those out. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on everything that's going on right now, how you think this launch is going to go tomorrow, because the bridges with SafeMoon is supposed to go into effect as of tomorrow. So I am very excited about that myself. Curious to see how it plays out with everything that's going on here. Things are definitely getting very intense. We're nearing the end of June, getting ready to go into the third quarter of 2021. So guys, please don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and share this video on social media. You guys are awesome. Appreciate all of you guys being here, being a part of this community, and I will see you guys in the next episode.